Get ready to unleash your inner strength and transform your physique with total body power. In this video, we'll reveal the top 7 exercises that will help you build muscle, increase strength, and improve overall body composition. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gym goer, these exercises are sure to challenge you and help you achieve your fitness goals. A tease. So let's dive in and get started. The first exercise is the squat. This exercise is a powerhouse for your lower body, targeting the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and engage your core. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if you're sitting into a chair. Keep your back straight and lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your feet to stand back up and repeat for reps. Next up is the bench press. This exercise is a staple for upper body strength, focusing on the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lie on a bench with your feet flat on the floor. Grab a barbell and lower it to your chest, keeping your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Press the barbell back up and repeat for reps. Let's move on to deadlifts. This exercise works wonders for your posterior chain, targeting the lower back, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Bend down and grab a barbell with an overhand grip. Lift the barbell off the ground by straightening your legs and pushing your hips forward. Keep your back straight and avoid rounding your shoulders. Lower the barbell back down and repeat for reps. Now let's focus on the overhead press. This exercise primarily targets your shoulders, but also engages your triceps and upper back. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding 2 dumbbells at ear level. Press the dumbbells overhead, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Akina, lower the dumbbells back down and repeat for reps. Don't underestimate the power of rows. This exercise strengthens your back muscles, biceps, and forearms. You can perform rows using a barbell or dumbbells. Here's how to do it with a barbell. Start by setting up in a bent-over position with your feet shoulder width apart. Grab a barbell and pull it towards your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body. Lower the barbell back down and repeat for reps. Next up is the clean and jerk. This exercise is a full-body workout that targets your lower body, core, and shoulders. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Grab a barbell and lift it off the ground by bending your knees and pushing your hips forward. Once the barbell is at mid-thigh, use your legs to swing the barbell up to your shoulders. From there, use your arms to lift the barbell overhead. Lower the barbell back down and repeat for reps. Last but not least, we have the burpee. This exercise is a true full-body workout that combines cardio and strength training. Start in a standing position, then drop into a squat position with your hands on the floor. Get your feet back into a plank position and perform a push-up. Jump your feet back to the squat position and explode up from the burpee. And there you have it, the top 7 exercises to help you build total body power. Remember to challenge yourself and push your limits to see results. With dedication and hard work, you'll be on your way to achieving a transformed physique and improved strength. So get out there and give it your all.